Ogochukwu and I partook in the Visiola Foundation Mastering Business Analysis through Excel. So I want to give you a walkthrough of my work. So this is the sales table. This is an executive sales report of the sales table. So it is from this table I made my calculations on my eventually led to my making of my dashboard and my pivot table. So from this table now I made my calculations. So let me take you, these are the columns of the table. Let me take you to the pivot table where I made my calculations. So this is the pivot table. I tried to get the total. This is the total units sold, the total profit made from all the units that were sold. This is the total revenue that was accrued over the months. These are the top selling products by profit. Now this is the time trend. We want to know the best performing month. So this is the time trend over the months. Then this is the sales channel performance. We want to know the best sales channel when it comes to the profit they generated. And this is the sales team. We also want to know the best sales team. So these are the top 10 sales team when it comes to the profit they generated over time. And these are my slicers. These are my slicers. These slicers are connected to each and every one of these calculations. These second values came as a result of trying to connect this pivot table to the dashboard. Now these are the charts that were generated from these calculations, which I transferred to my dashboard. Now this is my dashboard eventually. This is what my dashboard looks like. So this is OG Sales Corporation. This is the sales dashboard. Now this is the total units sold, total number of items sold. Now this is the total profit that was made. This is the total profit that was made. And now this is the total revenue that was generated within these months that sales were made. Now these are the top selling products, the top 5 selling products. Then this is the best sales team, the top 10 best sales team. And these are the profits generated by each of the sales channel. And this is the sales monthly trend, looking at how much sales or how much profit was made in the different months. Now these are my slicers. These slicers are connected to every of this table you are seeing here. And when I click any of them, my table is reacting. It is changing. The values are changing to correspond with what the slicer is presenting. So when I click a particular store, it gives me the top selling product of that store. It gives me the best sales team of the store. It gives me the profits made by each sales channel in that particular store. It also gives me the monthly trend of that particular store. Now when I click the sales channel, you can see this distributor sales channel, it is giving me the top selling product in each sales channel. It's giving me the best sales team, and all these things are reacting to my slicers. You can see everything is changing. And now when I come to the month, when you click any particular month, it is giving you the top selling product, the total units sold, the total profit, the total revenue, and that is that for this dashboard. And you can see that they are all reacting to my slicers. So this is basically all that we did in this business analysis class. And thank you very much, Visiola Foundation, for this opportunity. I'm very grateful. Thank you very much.